Hello and welcome to Shelley's Sacred Space and our Crystal Curiosities. We're going to go to the dark side for a little bit. We're actually going to look at some black stones over the next few videos. So we're starting with jet. Now I have a piece of raw jet here, and you can see it's not very shiny. It almost looks like a piece of coal. So raw jet can look like that, but it can also be polished into a slightly shiny stone. So it does have a sheen and a shine to it. And these are the only jets I have, except for a small one that's in my wallet, and I'll explain why after. But one of the key factors with jet is it's super light, like super light. So that's one of the ways that you can tell in a black stone, because when you get a black stone, they're black. It can be hard to tell the difference. So one of them is definitely the weight. All right. Now, what is it good for? So we know it's good for grounding because it's a dark stone. So it's also good for our root chakra. It actually helps. Jet is one of the ones to help with past and dealing with that gently as opposed to facing everything from the past all at once and boom, here you go, work through it. So it brings a gentle energy in to deal with that. It is wonderful for balancing yin yang energy, and it's great for protection, especially against the evil eye. Okay. It can help with headaches, cold, grief. It aids in dealing with negative emotional patterns that we have. So it helps to kind of bring those to the light and allow them to be changed again in a very gentle way. It can aid financial income because it helps you to reduce the outflow, which is kind of good. It's been found in prehistoric burial sites, and it's actually not a crystal, it's fossilized wood, which is really cool. So it's an interesting stone, like I said, very gentle, very nice. I also have one that stays by my computer. This would be the one. It is believed that it helps with the EMFs from the computer. And because it's such a gentle stone, it can help with the stress from being on the computer all day. So it can give you a bit of stress relief. But it is a personal preference, and there are other stones that do the same thing. I just happened to have that nice jet and it was doing nothing else. So I thought it can sit there. So again, jet is great for calm, gentle energy, protection, release. Because it's made from fossilized wood, it's taken millennia to be created. So it's not a stone that whips through everything and brings things to the surface to be dealt with quickly. It is definitely one of the most patient stones out there. If a crystal could be patient, that is it. Jet is one of them. Anyways, that is our little bit of information on jet. Until the next time, bye for now.